Are you looking for a strong, unbanned ad account where you can spend thousands or even millions of dollars on Facebook ads? Don't worry. Ads Prime Agency provides verified business managers that are powerful, reliable, and secure, ensuring smooth and scalable advertising performance. This is a USA Document verified business manager, equipped with a $2,500 ad account that comes with no spending limit capability. For better clarity and transparency, we have expanded the screen size so you can clearly view all the details, verification status, and account information without any confusion. This is a BM2500 business manager with no spending limit, originally created in 2019, and fully verified using authentic USA business documents. Due to its age, verification status, and strong history, this business manager is highly stable and suitable for high-volume Facebook advertising, even at a large scale. You can choose to purchase the full business manager with complete admin profile access for full control and long-term use. Alternatively, we also offer ad account rental services for bulk needs, with a minimum order of 100 ad accounts at a time, making it ideal for agencies and large-scale advertisers. We also offer another BM500 business manager that includes a no-limit ad account, also verified with USA documentation, ensuring reliability and long-term stability for high-spend advertising. So, whether you want to purchase the entire business manager or only the ad account, feel free to contact us on Telegram. Our Telegram ID is displayed on the screen for your convenience.